you ready to make authentic Mexican tacos? Well, today we're making tacos de pollo al pastor. Yes! Welcome to Toy's Food Chronicles. My name is Toy, and we are bringing people together through the soul and spirit of food. And this channel was made to help the average home cook and backyard grill cook prepare stunning meals for their families and guests. If you like what we got going on here and you want to rock with us, well, just hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for all updates on everything. Getting right into the cook, the things that we're going to need to make this recipe work: chicken or pollo, coriander, pineapple, onion, guajillos, these are guajillo chilies, salt, pepper, achiote paste, so the first thing that we're going to do is de-seed the guajillos. So we're going to take the end caps off of these chilies. Though we do love them, they tend to be a little bit spicy. I have a 3-year-old daughter. That wouldn't be the wisest thing to give her the spiciest food I could. Next, we are going to put our guajillos in about 2 cups of water with achiote paste cut, salt, and we're going to use this apple cider vinegar. And I'm not measuring it, I'm just putting a dash of apple cider vinegar in there for flavor. After we bring it to a boil, we'll let it boil for about 15 minutes. Then we're going to drain the water off of the guajillo chilies and the achiote paste. Then we're gonna take the guajillos and the achiote paste and we're gonna place it in the mixer. We're going to add onion, the rest of the achiote paste, salt, and we're gonna use adobo that has garlic in it. Normally I would have had garlic as well. So in this recipe, typically you would use actual garlic cloves or garlic powder. I have run out of both. So adobo does have garlic in its all-purpose seasoning. So for doing my salt, pepper, and garlic, I'm going to use adobo. Then we're going to add some of the juice of the water that we boiled into the blender as well. Then we're going to cut our chicken. I have 6 chicken breasts in 2 packages, so in total I have 12. I will cut or trim the fat off of each of these pieces of chicken. I will take a 1-gallon bag. I will place the chicken inside the bag, and now we will pour the contents of the blender on top of this chicken. We're going to let this set for at least 8 hours. I started this in the morning, so I am going to be doing this cook tomorrow. Yeah, I've been marinating this for 20 hours or so, and I am ready to cook this. So what we're going to do, some of this we're going to wrap in foil, as you can see right now. Some of this we're going to put in the skillet. I want to see what the different flavors and how they come out. As traditionally, my mother-in-law will put these in foil paper and cook them that way. And so I'm going to put about 6 of them in that foil, and then I'm going to put 6 of them, because I have 12 total, in the skillet. Then we're going to also put our tortillas in the skillet, and those are going to be great. I'll chop up the pineapple, the cilantro, and the cebolla or onion. And once I do that, those are going to be our toppings. I don't necessarily have to heat up the pineapple for this particular meal, but yes, I may heat it up anyway, I don't know. Yeah, so you know what time it is again. I am about to taste this taco. Taste this taco. Taste this taco. We got the piña, we got the cebolla, we got the cilantro, we got the pollo. We got it all. It is going to be good. We got the lemon. Ooh. Yes, yes, yes. And you're seeing what it looks like right now. This is what I'm getting to experience, and it is. I feel like I'm back in Mexico. So cool. Thank you, Mama Lupita, once again. Another recipe from Mama. This particular one that I'm eating right now is the one that I baked and steamed inside the bag. I like it better, I think, in the as baked, because it kept all those juices in it, just wrapped. Oh my goodness.